the correct sentence. Answer: I heard him saying so. The difference of opinion among the juries have resulted in the acquittal of the criminal. Answer: have resulted in the acquittal. Find the correct sentence. Answer: he took offense at my word. I am afraid that Sharon will never be an outstanding actress. Last month she burned her face and the doctor failed to cure that. The experiment above is based upon which of the following assumption? One must have unburned face to act. How will a person act may be influenced by the condition of one's face. Unburnt face is a must for a professional acting career. Answer: how will a person act may be influenced by the condition of one's face. Bimberry must be a football player. He is wearing a football jersey. The conclusion above is valid only if it is true that. Answer: only football players wear football jerseys. During the stock market crisis, political leaders debate if financial assistance should be provided to the stock market. One economics option: saving. Are we supposed to help the stock market every time it gets into crisis? The economist question can be criticized because it answer appeals to emotions rather than logic. Harbinger answer: follower. Sabotage answer: rectify. Fee. Equivocal answer: clear. Master crew answer: convince. Medicine illness answer: low energy. Glossy science answer: star galaxy. If we answer had added salt, the soup would have been tastier. Third, at such a serious moment, your dash is in pirate. Answer levity. Such an dash act of hostility can only lead to where. Answer overt. After such dash mail, we were all quick to dash Hamima Akhtar Shanta for her delicious cooking. Answer A. Wonderful applet. So select and hail are dash from of ice. Answer different. Bal a full. Answer sinister. Eloquent. Answer oratory. Parni class. Answer malevolent. Although some of the apex of the talk is global application. Answer one of the. Raj and Raj have never seen eye to eye on politics. Answer sharing the same view. The president assented. Answer to the bill. He was appointed uh, dismissed from the post on the same day. Answer appointed to. The Golden Curve of Globe of Mexico has not been finished commercially in great number dash at great depth 2500 feet down. Answer on account of living. You should dash swimming. Answer take up. My cousin live dash a farm. Answer on.